The following video is a basic how-to guide on your new tablet device. The new and improved case has a built-in swivel. It's also harder, which will allow your tablet to be protected from usual wear and tear. You can view your tablet horizontally and vertically, while the grooves in your case help hold it in place. When you're through working with your tablet, be sure to enclose the case using the elastic band. Notice the buttons on the front of your case. This is your tablet's most fragile area. When you're done working with your tablet, be sure to turn your tablet so the buttons are protected by the binding of the case. This will help protect against a fall and may prevent further damage. Also, when opening your case, do not pull hard on the flaps. This could break your swivel and break your case. This is not how the case is supposed to be opened. When putting your tablet away, do not reverse your case so it's inside out. This will cause further wear on your case and will not protect your tablet as well. Now, let's talk about navigating the home screen. When your tablet's turned on, you will notice the login screen. Each tablet is assigned to an individual user. Your name should appear underneath the login button. Also, there's a version number down at the very bottom of the screen. Currently, we are on version 1.09. If your tablet does not say 1.09, you need to let someone know immediately. Find the menu button at the bottom left of your screen. It's the 3 vertical dots. When you click this button, a new toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen. If you sync from the login page, this will install new updates to your tablet. There may be times when you're asked to sync from this page so that your tablet can stay current and updated. Go ahead and log into your device. You should log into the tablet just as you would any computer here at school. Remember, there are no caps and no space in the username. This is your home screen. The home screen consists of 10 different buckets. Each bucket has its own use and function. A bucket may contain web shortcuts or applications. Let's take a look at the My Tools bucket. Initially, your My Tools bucket should have about 6 apps. The number of apps will grow as we move through the school year, so don't worry. Go ahead and take a look at the different apps at this time. You may see a word processing app, an Evernote app, a calculator app, and many more. Next, let's go to the My Internet app. These are different browsers which you can use to surf the web. The default browser works great. Also, Dolphin is a good browser. I put Firefox Beta on there as well because some teachers like it. However, I recommend the default browser app or the Dolphin browser. If you use the Dolphin browser, you will need to register first. Let's go to the My School sites. This is where we have different shortcuts to popular websites. You may have a BGCS shortcut, an Educational Video Library shortcut, and a Parent Connect shortcut. If you have other websites that you use often that you'd like to see in this bucket, please let your tech integration specialist know. In the My Test Center bucket, these are also web shortcuts to popular testing websites. Some of our most used would be QuestionPress or Moodle. You might see Acuity on there as well, but that is for the younger grades. In the My eBooks bucket, you will notice a Fullet Reader. This is a digital reader that syncs up with our school library. You can download digital copies of books that are available in our Media Center. Talk to your librarian if you'd like to learn more about the Follett Reader. Finally, let's go to My Mail. Our next step is to sync our school Gmail account. Go ahead and click on the My Mail bucket. Within the bucket, you should see the Gmail app. Go ahead and click on the application and a Gmail screen should appear. It's asking you to register a Google account. Since your school email is a Google account, you need to click Existing. This should take you to the sign-in page. Go ahead and put in your username. It's your first and last name at bgcs.k12.in.us. Remember, there are no caps and no spaces in your username. You should have set your password up at the beginning of the year. If you can't remember your password, you're going to need to let your building's tech person know or the tech integration specialist. They can reset your password for you. Once you've entered in your username and password and you're sure it's correct, go ahead and click Sign In. At this point, you can pause the video to make sure that everybody's Gmail account has synced properly. Let's head on back to the home screen. To do this, click the house in the bottom left of your screen. This will always return you back to your 10 original buckets. Now, let's click on the My Curriculum Loft app. As you click on this app, you'll notice that the page goes to your profile. Under your profile, you should see your course list, and your courses should all be listed under My Courses. If you notice that some courses are missing, don't worry, we can change that later. Look to the bottom right of your screen to see if a syncing arrow has appeared. If the arrow is blinking and pointing downwards, this means that your tablet is syncing documents from Curriculum Loft. This is exactly what your tablet should be doing. It will do it automatically, but you can also manually do it by hitting the sync button. It's good practice to do this at least once a day to make sure you have the documents you need. Let's go back to the home screen. We're going to add courses and edit courses that were incorrect in the My Curriculum Loft screen. To do this, you'll need to go to the My School sites. Under the My School sites, you should see a BGCS or a BGHS internet shortcut. Click on that internet shortcut and it should take you to the school's homepage. Once you're on the school's homepage, you need to click Staff. Once you've clicked Staff, a new screen will appear. Within that screen, click Curriculum Loft. Go ahead and log into Curriculum Loft just as you did your tablet. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile again, but the screen looks a little bit different. Notice the paper and pencil to the right-hand side of My Courses. Click it. This takes you to the course editing page. Click Add New Course. If you need to add courses, you may do so by selecting the department in which the course falls under. After you've done that, you can select the course name. Select your building. Choose Primary. And then select the block in which you are enrolled in the course. Finally, select the teacher that teaches that course. When you've done this for all of your classes, be sure to save your work. When you're all through, click Log Out. Now, head back to the Curriculum Loft app in your home page. You should notice that all your courses appear. Let's talk about syncing your device, because syncing is very important. To sync your device, click the menu button on the bottom left of the screen. A new toolbar will appear at the bottom. By clicking Sync, new applications and documents will automatically be pushed down to your tablet. You can tell your tablet is syncing by the circular arrows that appear in the bottom right of the screen. Your tablet should do this automatically when you come to school every day. However, it doesn't hurt to manually do this at least once a day. Let's talk about troubleshooting your device. Here are some basic things you should know. To get to the settings, click the menu button. When the toolbar appears at the bottom of the screen, click All Settings. If your internet is not working, make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Or if your internet is running slow, you can turn the Wi-Fi off and turn it back on from this screen. The two networks you should use here at school are 1-to-1 and C-Loft. However, C-Loft is a temporary network and will probably not be around all year. If you'd like to change display settings, click Display. You can adjust the sleep times in this setting. We recommend the sleep times be set for 10 minutes or more so syncing is not interrupted. If you notice your touchscreen calibration is not where you'd like it to be, you can reset the calibration by clicking Touch Panel Calibration. Calibration usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. Finally, if your tablet freezes, grab a paper clip and gently press the reset button on the side of your tablet. Hold it for 2 or 3 seconds. Once the tablet turns off, hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. When the Kuno screen appears, your tablet has been successfully reset. Finally, transporting your device properly is very important. If using a backpack, do not put your device between heavy books or binders. The books and binders could squeeze and possibly break the screen on your tablet. Instead, put the books and binders in the main compartment separately. Take your tablet and put it in one of the front compartments of your backpack. This will help keep your tablet safe and will not wedge it between heavy objects. When you come home at the end of a long day, do not just throw your backpack down if your tablet's inside. It will be sure to break. Since the device is fragile and very expensive, take care of your tablet. Place your backpack down gently so as not to break your tablet. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions whatsoever about your tablet or you need help, email tablethelp@bgcs.k12.in.us.